Una, do you ever wonder how we see colour?
I haven't actually, but that's really interesting. How do we see colour?
First of all, what is colour?
According to Newton, an object does not own a colour but reflects it. Colour is the phenomenon of light or visual perception that enables us to differentiate otherwise identical objects.
So without light, we would have no colour. When light hits an object in wavelengths, this light can both be reflected and absorbed by the object. Some objects absorb more wavelengths of light than others. This is why we see certain colours. For example, objects that appear white don't absorb any light, and objects that appear black absorb all light.
Well, how do we see this colour?
Well, the retina is a part of the eye responsible for seeing colour. The retina is home to two types of photoreceptors that help us see light. These are called cones and rods. Cones are 100% responsible for our colour vision, while rods help us see in low lighting.
There are three types of cones, red, green and blue. Long wavelengths appear red, short wavelengths appear blue, and medium wavelengths give us the colour green. Different combinations of these wavelengths activate our eyes to a world of colour. Colour blindness happens when one or more of the cone cells are absent, not working, or detect a different colour than normal. There are different degrees and types of colour blindness. The most common types of colour blindness are protanomaly, tritanomaly, and monochromacy.
Most colour blindness is congenital and usually passed from mother to son. Men are at much higher risk of being born with colour blindness than women. But colour blindness can also be caused by the effects of drugs, trauma and disease.
So Una, do you now understand how we see colour?
I do, and it's really interesting.